Building a website has never been easier, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I prospect for new clients using just Google Maps, and then I'll show you exactly how to create websites from templates that you can get already pre-built. Now, we can use AI for a lot of this as well, so I'll walk you over to the next step. Now, once you're inside of Google Maps, you're going to go ahead and find a Google My Business page of local businesses. And how you do this, you just type in, for our specific niche, we're going to do roofers. So just type roofers in on the left side, and it's going to populate all of the roofing businesses in that area. Now, if you scroll on the left side here, you're going to see they have websites attached right here. Some of them don't have website icons. So what that means is their Google My Business page doesn't actually have a website attached to it, meaning they don't have a website. So looks like this company doesn't have a website. You could go ahead and call this company right here with their number and offer them a website. Now, I'll show you guys how to make the website from a template in a later part of this video, but right now I just want to show you how bad these websites are. So let's just go ahead and click into one of these websites. Nokomis Roofing, the Saints of Roofing business. Now, look at their website right now. I don't see any graphics. It looks like a picture of a dog here. And as we scroll down, they have a call us number, but the number isn't even a button. So if I was on mobile, for example, and you can switch to mobile view by pressing F12, inside of here, this is not a button. So when you click this on a phone, it's not even gonna call it automatically. Now you need to make that a hyperlink, and I'll show you guys how to do that a little bit later. As we scroll down here, it's just a wall of text. Now that's not what you're looking for. There's no email grab at the top right. There's no get a free quote. So this is somebody that I would contact right away and then offer them a pre-built website and then charge them monthly for hosting fees. Now, there are tons of these horrible websites. Let's just go scroll down the list and just go to another one. All right, Homestar Roofing. As we can see here, it's a very blank looking website. It does have a call us today, which is good. Let's check the mobile, and it is not mobile optimized. As you can see here, there's something wrong with their header, and it looks like this column here isn't really working. This call us should be at the top. Let's see. Okay, that is a button. I don't know if it's gonna work on mobile though. So let's go back over here. This company has the same problem. As we can see here, they just have a wall of text. Now, as someone that needs roofing done, if somebody lands on this website, they're really not gonna know what to do next. Now, let's go over to a different part of their website, About Us. Okay, this part looks a little better. There's some issues over here with clipping. Yeah, the website, it feels very outdated in the contact. So, okay, CM Roofing LLC, Minnesota license. So they have the registered license here. Request free roof inspection. So as you can see, this is a button, which just brings you to a form fill at the bottom here. This does not look like a button to me. Buttons should be round and they should have some type of movement to them. And also they need to be green or blue, which are conversion colors. And this is like a purple red. It does have a effect where you highlight over it, but they need to have these corners rounded and then it needs to be fixed. Let's go ahead and switch to mobile and see how it looks on mobile. Now, okay, we ran into this on a previous website. This is not mobile optimized. So right here, they do have the number up here, but I can't click it. If you're on mobile, you're gonna have to click and drag over, and that's just not gonna fly when mostly everybody is using mobile nowadays to go ahead and find services for their home. So this is a company, it looks like they have a few good pictures here of them doing roofing, which I think is a great ad, but here we see some clipping where the text is getting clipped by the size of this image. That's something you can actually do in the website design. So seeing this is a red flag that the company is not really keeping up to date on their website. And this form fill down here, there's another clipping error as we see, where there should be a little buffer here. And this form fill, that's too many forms. So it's too many things to fill out for somebody to come in, first name, last name, email, address, phone number, how did you hear about us, comments, and then proceed to checkout. It's just too many things and they're requiring everything. So that's something that needs to be changed immediately for this website to start converting. If anybody landed here, I doubt this website's converting at all. I'm gonna show you guys a website that actually does it correctly. And what we have here is Right at Home, roofing contractor and exteriors. The residential roofing contractor trusted by, and then it has some About Us. This is great. Right here, this is maybe a little bit too big, but besides that, they have everything going for them. phone number up in the top right, you are able to click it and then call. Now let's just do our test. Let's press F12, and yes, it is mobile responsive. As you can see, everything minimized to fit on the mobile. So as we scroll down, it looks and feels clean. 97% of clients recommended us to family and friends. We have some social proof right here. So that's gonna help any buying resistance. As they scroll down, it's gonna show that they do things the right way, adding a nice little pun in there. That's good. And here's a little hack that they use. Since 2005, our family business has provided 5-star experiences for neighbors just like you. We're proud to be a preferred residential roofing contractor in Minneapolis and hope to be yours too. We lead by example every day, and that means doing things with integrity, transparent pricing, and reliable communication. So they are putting their best foot forward with their ad copy. As you can see, this is done extremely well. And as we keep scrolling down here, we can see that they have roofing services, and this is a button. As we saw in the previous website, their button was awful. This button compared to this button are completely different. So we go ahead and we click that, and we even have storm damage, sliding windows. It's very interactive. This website does a lot of things right. This is where the bar is in 2024. You need to have a website that's responsive, that is interactive, that has easy navigation, see all services. You can go ahead and contact them at any point in this website. On the right side here, you see a contact us. So as somebody's scrolling through here, at any point that they're like, okay, I think I've done my research enough. These guys look like the guys, they got their shit together. They can just hit contact us, and boom, you get a free quote right here. Now, I'm not sure if everything here is required to get the free quote, but regardless, this is perfect to have on the side of your website. Now, something I don't see that they have is an AI chatbot. And an AI chatbot helps get people across the finish line to convert quicker. And I'm gonna show you guys how to add that a little bit later in this video, but as we scroll down, this company does it well. This is the gold standard and what should be done for websites. As we looked at those previous websites, they are trash. Everything about them, they are just not good looking. The aesthetics are terrible. The functionality, how am I even supposed to contact these company? Oh, it says request a quote or ask for more information. Okay, whoa, look how many. This is a different company now. This is one of the ones we looked at earlier, Nokomo's Roofing. But as we scroll down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 form fills to fill out before we can submit. Nobody's gonna sit here and fill out that many form fills. People wanna jump in, get a free quote, have them send over some information with 1 or 2 form fills. All you really need is somebody's phone, their email, and name. So as promised, I'm gonna take you guys over to a software called Go High Level. And inside of Go High Level, you're actually able to create websites from templates. And that's super powerful because all you have to do is go to sites on the left, go new funnel from template, go continue. And then in here, they have all these pre-made websites. Let's go ahead and type in roofing, and all of these you can use and start building out right now for some of those terrible looking websites from the roofing companies we just looked at. So let's go ahead and click one of these. I like this one, and all you have to do is hit continue, and it's gonna go ahead and add that into your Go High Level account. Now, once that's added in, you're gonna go ahead and get this page. Now, this is the page builder. And the great thing about the page builder, it's one of the easiest ones that I've actually ever used. And I've used about 9 or 10 different website building softwares before. As we advance in technology, the software just gets better and better, and Go High Level does a great job at doing this because inside of this website builder, you can move all of these elements around. Right in here, you just click in here and you can just go ahead and add your logo right here. You just hit this little icon here. You can go ahead and go in here and change the phone number right here like that. You can change the conversion color of this button that says get started. For example, so like I mentioned earlier, what you want is a conversion color. And we're gonna go ahead and click white for that. And then the background color up here, we're gonna switch that to green, and that looks a ton better. Now, same thing down here, we're gonna just go ahead and change this as well. There we go. Now, as we scroll down here, they use something called Laura Ipsum, which is Latin, and it's just placeholder text, ad copy. So the coolest part about Go High Level is they built AI into their system here. Now, we can go ahead and click into this box down here where it says 20 years guaranteed. We can go, so if we click in here and select this text and go ahead and hit this AI icon, go generate with AI. And we're gonna go 20-year roofing guarantee, add copy. And then we just hit continue. Now, it gives you 3 options here that you can pick from. Protect your home with confidence. Our unrivaled roofing guarantee ensures that your investment is secure, rain or shine. Don't let weather worries weigh you down. Choose peace of mind. Act now for unparalleled protection. Okay, so as you see, it populated 3 different ad copy snippets that we can go ahead and put right in. So we just hit copy here, and it's gonna fill this. If you wanna go ahead and change this a little more, you can go ahead and do that. You just go ahead and hit continue here, and it puts it right in there. Now, like I said, I don't really like this color, so we're just gonna change this to green. Now, as we scroll down further, you can go ahead and add some forms in here if you want, or if you wanted to change some of these pictures, if we go ahead and click this picture, I don't really like it. We're just gonna go into the images and go to Unsplash, and then in here you can search stock media. So roofing, let's just go ahead and type that, and we get tons of roofing images. And all of these we can use, and we don't have to pay any fees. These are all free images that you can go ahead and use. So let's just go ahead and find a good one. I think that this is a pretty good one. We just double click that, and it's gonna go ahead and put it right here. Now, if we wanted to delete any of these boxes, we can just go ahead and hit that. Perfect. Now that lines up a little better. If you want to change the size, you can go ahead and change the pixels on the right side here. Now we can go ahead and change the colors to conversion colors, change that to that phone number that we had in here earlier. Now, if they have any socials, you can attach them at the bottom. So already we have created a website that is 10 to 20 times better than one of these over here that I was showing you earlier. Now, all we have to do is hit save on the right side here when you have this done, and it's gonna go ahead and finish the website. Once you add a domain, you're all clear from there. Now, if you guys wanna learn more on how I sell these websites to local businesses, go ahead and join my school community in the description down below, and I have courses built to walk you through every step of the way to get you to start selling your first client within 30 days. All right, I hope you gained some value from this video. I'll catch you in the next one.